This cow used to give a lot of milk for Grandma every day. Grandma used to make butter from the cow's milk, and then she used to go to sell the butter in the market, and her butter used to get sold in the market because people liked her butter very much. Then Grandma gets a lot of money, and she thinks, why not open a new butter shop with that money? Then Grandma opens a butter shop of her own, and there used to be a crowd of people at her shop. But one day, when Grandma was making tea in her shop, then suddenly the gas explodes and she dies. Now the cow is left alone and starts crying because no one liked and subscribed.